In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter batch transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you need to create lots of records quickly, the batch transactions tool is a huge time saver because it lets you enter multiple items on one streamlined grid instead of clicking through separate forms. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and hovering over the Create button. You'll see a menu of actions appear. From that menu, choose Batch Transactions. This opens a dedicated page designed for high volume entry, where each row represents a separate transaction and each column captures a specific field. It's efficient, consistent, and easy to review at a glance. At the top of the page, select the entity type you want to enter. For this walkthrough, choose invoices so we can focus on common fields you are likely to use. Once the invoice grid appears, you're ready to fill in the details left to right. Working across the row helps you stay organized and makes it less likely you'll miss a required field. In the invoice number column, type the identifier you want to use. If your company uses automatic numbering, QuickBooks may fill this for you, but if you prefer a custom sequence, enter it directly. Next, enter the customer. Begin typing a name and select it from the list. If the customer isn't in your books yet, you can add it on the fly, but make sure the spelling and formatting are consistent with your records. Enter the customer's email so you can send the invoice electronically. Double check that it's a current billing address to avoid delays. Then set the terms, such as net 15 or net 30. The terms control how the due date is calculated, so pick the option that matches your agreement with the customer. Add the invoice date to reflect when the sale occurred or when you want revenue recognized. Right after that, confirm the due date. If you pick terms, QuickBooks may autofill it, but you can override it if needed. Finally, choose the location if you use location tracking. This is important for reporting by branch, department, or region and helps keep your financials segmented correctly. As you go, use the Tab key to move across columns and down to the next row to speed up data entry. Keep an eye out for any red or highlighted fields. Those usually indicate something required or out of range. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will validate the entries and create the invoices in one go. That's the full process. Open batch transactions from Create, select invoices, fill in each column carefully, and save. With a little practice, you'll enter large sets of transactions accurately and in a fraction of the time.